ever dreamt of dominating the virtual hardwood with the might of a wholesale empire? Today, we're diving deep into NBA 2K25 to equip your team with the iconic Costco brand. First, fire up your NBA 2K25 and navigate to the MyNBA mode. This is where the magic of team customization truly begins. From the MyNBA main menu, locate and select the Create New Team option. This will be our canvas to bring Costco to life in the game. Now, let's get to the fun part, designing the team merchandise. We'll be focusing on creating eye-catching jerseys and logos that scream Costco. Look for the jersey design section. For the logo, you'll want to head over to the logo editor. This is where we'll recreate that unmistakable Costco aesthetic. Think bold, simple, and instantly recognizable. Use the available tools to recreate the classic Costco red and blue color scheme. You can try to find a way to incorporate their iconic font or a stylized version of their warehouse silhouette. Experiment with different shapes and placements until it feels right. Once your logo is looking sharp, it's time to apply it to the jerseys. Select the primary jersey colors and then strategically place your custom Costco logo on the chest, sleeves, and shorts. Don't forget to consider the away jerseys too. Aim for a clean, classic basketball jersey design that echoes Costco's straightforward brand identity. The goal is to make your virtual squad look like they're sponsored by your favorite bulk retailer. Once you're satisfied with your uniforms and logo, save your team. You can then assign these uniforms to any team you're controlling within the MyNBA mode. And there you have it. You're now ready to hit the court with your very own Costco-branded NBA 2K25 team, blending the thrill of virtual sports with the undeniable appeal of wholesale shopping. Happy gaming!